We are very excited to formally roll out our new training and development website, ReadyAgent.com. We have designed this innovative program to demystify the process of getting started in the Medicare market. Everything from contracting, certification, plan knowledge, lead generation, and sales training have been carefully cultivated and put into a simplified format. By completing each of the Ready Agent steps, you will be ready to get selling in the Medicare market compliantly. As you complete the Ready Agent process, you will gain access to special discounts on business services such as custom web design, business cards, technology equipment, and professional clothing, just to name a few. Ready Agent will empower agents for success. What you are looking at here is the landing page. The first video is offering an overview of the site's purpose and what you will find here. We are introducing our 5-step process to success. Step 1. Get on board. Step 2. Get certified. Step 3. Get smart. Step 4. Get leads. And Step 5. Get sales. Then get started. Let's create an account. In order to create an account, all you need are a few of your basic demographics. Nothing top secret. Name, email address, password, and physical address. We will have access to your account credentials in case you lose or forget them, so we can reset them. If you notice at the bottom left of the screen here, we have an interactive blog. The topics of discussion and articles are written by various members of our staff, and we look forward to your comments and feedback. Once you create your account, click on the link and it will take you right to your dashboard. Welcome to Ready Agent. From the dashboard, you will be able to access the 5-step process, our blogs, events calendar, download important documents, take notes, access our online contracting portal, and even upload your United Healthcare applications. Let's call this your hub to all the great information. If you notice below Welcome, there are some unique badges there. As you move through the website, you will receive badges signifying that you have completed a certain part of the website. Once you have received all the badges, you will get the All Content King badge. You are a Ready Agent. On the right here, there is our creative development team, Jill and Jamie, and their contact information. They have been very instrumental in the development of Ready Agent and are here to help guide you through it. As we move down the dashboard, you will notice the other links. The events calendar will show upcoming trainings and webinars from both us and the carriers we work with. Now, let's move on to the meat of the program, the 5-step process. Typically, when I'm talking to an agent about getting started in the Medicare market, the first thing we want to lay out are what carriers they should contract with. The reality is, you can understand Medicare products like the back of your hand, but if you want to write any business, you need a writing number. Aren't you tired of filling out 30, 40, 50 pages of contracting? Well, fortunately, those days are coming to an end. Our new 20-minute agent application will allow you to store your responses to all of the basic contracting questions and apply them to the carriers you would like to contract with. It's as easy as that. Some carriers have their own online contracting process. For example, Coventry uses the No More Forms system, and there are still some with whom we must do it the old-fashioned way, but the vast majority are available online. One other necessity to being an agent in the Medicare market is errors and omissions insurance. We have a very affordable program from Marsh that will get you the minimum coverage sufficient to work with any carrier we work with for just around $400 per year, as well as it can be purchased right on our website. Lastly, as licensed agents, we are all familiar with continuing education. WebCE allows for you to do your continuing education training online, and by all means, take advantage of the discount you will get through us. The laptop with the red background is where you proceed to get that contracting started. The program is called SureLC, and in many cases, with Medicare Advantage and prescription drug plans specifically, you will be required to complete certification before you can get a writing number, which brings us to our next step. Step 2. Certs. Certify early, ready to sell. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services require that any agent selling either Medicare Advantage or Medicare prescription drug plans have completed certification. This training is done online and consists of a few hours of reading modules followed by taking tests. These modules are modified annually and are required to be completed annually. One acronym that you will familiarize yourself with is AHIP. It stands for America's Health Insurance Plans. AHIP is a national trade association representing the health insurance industry. AHIP provides this certification training and outlines how to explain Medicare Advantage plan benefits and requirements for marketing as well as enrollment. After a few times doing certification, you will breeze right through. Much of what you will take away from certifications is knowledge, which brings us to step 3. They say knowledge is power, and with things changing so frequently in our industry, that saying is as especially meaningful. Step 3 in the process is knowledge, and it is by far the most involved from a content perspective. There is so much to know and absorb, especially when you're first entering the market. We have broken this page down into 2 parts, basics and carriers. In the basics section, you will find information on the Medicare program itself. What is original Medicare? What products and resources are available for consumers? How can agents market them? And compliance issues. In addition to original Medicare's fee-for-service structure and various plan types available, there are many marketing and compliance regulations that are unique to this industry. It is imperative that you familiarize yourself with these regulations for your sake as well as your clients. The second part of the knowledge section is carriers. We have taken 4 of our top carriers, Cigna, United Healthcare, Coventry, and Highmark, and put together useful product information for each. You will need to provide your writing number to access the material for each carrier, and we have designed this section of the website to help you familiarize yourself with the specific product you may be selling. We want you to be in the best position imaginable when you are in front of your lead. Arguably, the biggest challenge for an agent getting started is generating leads. This step will help you become a magnet for them. Whether it be through our co-op direct mail programs, helping you design custom marketing pieces, getting you holding educational seminars, or having you utilize the various carrier marketing materials, we have answers for you. Take the time to watch these videos and study the resources we have available here. We are willing to invest time and money into your lead costs. We are here to help you be successful. In addition, many carriers have CMS-approved marketing materials that you can customize, and we have included information on those resources as well as various programs carriers offer as value-added benefits that will help your close ratio and help generate referrals. For example, Coventry has their benefits checkup program. Once you are generating leads, now all that's left to do is close the deal. Whether you have been selling insurance for years or just entering the field, when considering a transition into the Medicare market, there are some definite do's and don'ts to consider. Our 4-minute sales video will take you through from what to do with the lead card to signing the application. Many of the rigid Medicare marketing guidelines stem from the vulnerability of the senior market. By taking that into consideration, you will not only keep yourself compliant, but you will be better received by your clients. Not only are we looking to educate you on compliance, but we are looking to help you capitalize on every one of your appointments. In addition to during the appointment guidance, here we will outline some of the sales tools that you have access to as an agent of Neishloss and Fleming, including our Medicare quote engine, which allows you to pull real-time quotes, zip code specific, on any carrier that we work with. Check out the walkthrough and begin to simplify your pre-appointment research today. With that, you have our 5-step process for success in the Medicare market. One last perk that we have included are our Ready Agent rewards. As an agent of Neishloss and Fleming, you have access to discounts at some very notable businesses designed to even further help grow your business. For example, going back to custom marketing pieces, you will get discounted pricing on prints and postage through FedEx on postcards. Could the electronics in your office use an upgrade? Take a look at the discounted pricing from Tiger Direct, an online shop housing some of the top brand names in computers and components. I can't say this enough. We are committed to helping you grow your business. Now that we have demystified how to be successful in the Medicare market by taking you through these 5 steps, you are a ready agent. We are committed to helping you through this process and are very excited for the opportunity that the Medicare market presents. Please feel free to reach out to any one of our staff members here with questions along the way. Thank you for your time and attention.